Hi friends, I am Dr. Himani Sharma, consultant OBGY, practicing at Cloud9 Hospital, Vashi, Navi Mumbai. Today I am going to discuss rather a unique topic, how to deal with your surgical complications during these COVID times. So friends, on one hand we are requesting you to stay at home, don't venture outside and don't come to hospital unnecessarily. But on one hand, I want to emphasize one fact that if you are having some medical issues, serious medical issues apart from COVID, then don't ignore them and don't delay coming to the hospital. So there are two scenarios in this case. Suppose if you have certain diagnosed situation, like in gynecology, if you have a history of heavy menstrual bleeding or heavy bleeding which is affecting your lifestyle, your day-to-day quality of life, or it is causing severe blood loss leading to anemia, this will lead to a situation where you will land up in the hospital when you are already breathless, already anemic. So there will be a situation where we need to admit you for a blood transfusion, and then depending on the diagnosis, we have to either operate you. If it's a fibroid uterus or ovarian cyst which is causing heavy bleeding, we have to operate you immediately. So in this scenario, your hospital stay will be prolonged. Now let us see the scenario if we are actually planning a surgery electively. So by elective procedure, we means that we are aware of the situation that we are suffering from this complication of fibroid uterus or some bleeding which happens in pregnancy, which is absolutely abnormal. So in this situation, we should not ignore it. There is no point in sitting at home waiting and doing some home remedies. It will just complicate the situation. So if you land up in a hospital relatively early, then either through medical methods or through a minimally invasive surgery like laparoscopic surgery, which is fortunately now the science has advanced. So it's a sort of quick in and quick out surgery. So in 24 hours, most of the time patients can be discharged. So just keep yourself in that scenario and think. Suppose if there is a second situation is if there is a young girl who is having a severe pain abdomen. It can be as simple as a twisting of the ovaries or the ovarian cyst. So if you reach hospital on time and at a relatively early stage, we can make a early diagnosis. This entity is known as torsion of the ovarian cyst. So in this case, if you make a diagnosis, just detwist the ovary through laparoscopic approach, then we can save the ovary. But on the other hand, if you delay coming to the hospital, diagnosis will be delayed and that 6 hours golden period has gone. And sometimes there might be a permanent damage to the blood supply to the ovary and the ovary might be permanently damaged. So in this scenario, there is no point in sitting at home. You need to come to the hospital, wear your mask properly, maintain social distancing and don't get afraid to venture out of your home in these critical situations. Third thing which we come across commonly is like pregnancy complications. Those people who are trying to conceive, they can land up with abnormal pregnancy, which is known as ectopic pregnancy. So in ectopic pregnancy, what happens that if you ignore your initial symptoms, then the pregnancy grows in size big and it is there in the fallopian tube. So sometimes there are chances of rupturing inside. If you bleed inside, you can land up in shock and then you have to ultimately undergo a open surgery in the hospital where your tubes will be removed. Just think about the opposite scenario. If you are suspecting that it is an abnormal symptoms and if you do either a teleconsultation with your gynecologist and if advice, come to the hospital on time. If ectopic pregnancy is diagnosed early, most of the time it can be treated by medicines or through a laparoscopic approach where the hospital stay will be minimized. So what I want to convey to you is that, yeah, we know that it is important to stay at home, but in certain situation when the problem is complicated, the specialized complications required specialized approach. We need to treat them with advanced technology. So in this scenario, there is no point in sitting at home. Just do either a teleconsultation and if required, visit your hospital under safe circumstances. We at Cloud9 try to practice safely and we do all the tests which are required. Thanks a lot.